Aquarius, welcome to your weekly love reading for the week of February 19th, 2022. Thank you very much for being here, and I just want to give a shout out and a thank you to the Quirky Lotus in Spartanburg, South Carolina. They've been very good to me. Taven, the owner, is awesome, and all of her staff is wonderful. If you like metaphysical shops, interested in all the wonderful things they offer, well, you should definitely come here. Thank you. Oh, and you know what? Haha, Aquarius. I got these new little goodies here. A microphone that hopefully makes things better. And look at that, a light. Oh, I know, I'm moving up in the world. Aquarius, here's your angel answer card that will hopefully answer whatever question you have at the end of the reading. Get your romance angel card, and then we'll get your tarot cards to see what's up. Whoa. Okay, Aquarius. What does Aquarius need to know? That card wants to come out. We're going to take it, right? Take it. Getting to know each other as you reveal your innermost selves to each other, your bond deepens. Who did you come here for? Just a strange little question, because this picture always makes me think that the person you're getting to know in this card is a little different than your normal. And I say that because the man has a French braid, or like a Pippi Longstocking type of braid on the side of his head. To me, this implies someone who's a little different per se, you know. And I mean, look at, she's looking at him like, really? And she's kind of got that doubtful look. You never know, right? Sometimes I find some of the relationship I know that have been the most successful are where the two people are so incredibly different, it's kind of frightening. One of them actually involves an Aquarius and a Scorpio. And they could not be more different, but it works. Aquarius, oh, here we go. Queen of Swords, you. And the Seven of Pentacles. So this to me would be you, the Queen of, did I say the Queen of Pentacles? No, the Queen of Swords. The Queen of Swords traditionally is thought of as the widow. She is the one who, she really does, if you ask her a question, she's going to give you the answer, like it or not, which is an Aquarian thing, I find, for the most part. And the Seven of Pentacles would be saying, are you worth the effort? You know, because it took a while to get that squirrel, I'm sure, to climb up on her shoulder and let her, you know, be all nice with it. So to me, you know, while you're getting to know each other, this is going to be you contemplating, should I do this? You know, oh, we got other cards coming out. Very interesting. We got the Ten of Wands. So you could be carrying some burdens. Just remember that when he puts the wands in the fire, it's going to flare up. It's going to burn hot. Okay, the Wheel of Fortune, things changing. This to me would say that you should put down the burdens. And this is a new energy, a new way of being for you, possibly with a fire sign. Now, mind you, that when I say a fire sign, this could be your Leo, Aries, or a Sagittarius. It doesn't necessarily have to be their sun sign. Like I've said before, it could be their rising, could be their Venus. But this says that if you feel comfortable, because you have to feel comfortable, and if you're getting to know someone and you're contemplating, is there value to this? This says to me, you know, you may have to drop your guard a little bit and see what happens. So we'll clarify though, right? Let's clarify the Ten of Wands. Clarifying the Ten of Wands for Aquarius. Clarify the Ten of Wands. We got the Six of Swords, things getting better. The Knight of Cups, a love offer or a water sign, or you have water in your chart. And the Moon, Cancerian, but not seeing things clearly. So interesting. When I clarify the Ten of Wands and I get the Six of Swords, this to me says that when you drop those burdens, when you just kind of say, you know what, this is it. This is how it is. Things can get better. And that cup of love, it opens up the doorway for someone to offer you their cup of love. Will you know what's going to happen? The moon says no. But it's something, doing this is scary. Opening yourself up to someone is scary. Getting to know someone is scary. And the catch with the moon is that it casts shadows. It's not like the sun where everything is lit up nice and bright. It's got shadows and darknesses, and things look bigger or smaller. And so there's a certain amount of fear that goes with it. But with the Six of Swords being here, that to me says things will get better. Six of Cups. So this could be in reference to someone you've already been with before, because it's reminiscing in many cases. You know, it could be someone you've known before and you're thinking about how it once was. And now you're thinking, you know, is it worth it? You know? Now here, let's ask a question. For those of you who this is someone you've been with before, how will they know this person? How will Aquarius know this person as the person they've been with before? Could be younger than you. Page of Cups could have water in their chart. And the Page of Cups is kind of like that. How do I describe him? I'm actually going to look at the little book because, Aquarius, it's just an interesting, I like the way she talks about who these people are, because it's not what I would be used to be honest with you. Okay? So in her little book here, Page of Chalices, the page is a sensitive individual who is creative and imaginative. She, because it's a she in this picture, can be overly sensitive, retiring, and shy, and sometimes willfully ignore common sense or rational arguments. No comment. So that's how you'll know who this person is, Aquarius. Could have some passionate offer in there. I'm not sure who's going to be offering it, but that's there. So maybe you've experienced some passion with this person. So what else does Aquarius need to know? Ha, that's so funny. Knight of Cups. What do you need to know? Make the offer. It's scary. It is scary. He wants to make an offer. Maybe he has once before, but he hasn't gone the next step. Don't know why. Want to use a different deck of cards again. So tell us more for Aquarius. Tell us about this Knight of Cups. Okay. They have an unknown future. The future's unknown. Tell us about the Knight of Cups. In this love offer, the Two of Rods is about looking to the future. The whole world is ahead of you. But the moon says you don't know what it holds, but it also says you have to do it. If you want to make progress, if you want to move forward, if you want to get to that beautiful castle in the background there, you're going to take that path. And it's not maybe going to be comfortable. And maybe this is something that you've been thinking about as you fall asleep at night. But to me it says plan, do something about it. Within reason. Don't do anything crazy, but do something. Make that offer. Here, Seven of Swords with the Page of Cups. So this to me, he looks like he's caught off guard with that fish in there. And this could say the Seven of Cups, lying, cheating, stealing. What it could also say is that you've done it before and maybe it didn't go as well as you'd hoped. But to me, I say try again. I hate to say that, and I know that's a horrible thing to say. Try again. Yeah, even if you've had the Tower moment, look at that, the Empress comes out. Because in some way, this person might actually be much more suited to you than you realize. The Empress card is here. She's the perfect partner, you know. That's the person that you could do things in the future with. So let's get you a Keeper of the Oracle card, and then we'll see what your angel answer card is. Aquarius. Lord Shiva, transcendence, rise up, honor your inner force, steps are being given, dance with the universe. So if you are given an opportunity to get to know somebody that, you know, maybe you're not sure, try it. Drop those burdens. Drop your guard a little bit and see it. I mean, don't you have to bear your whole soul, but try it. What's your question? Here's your answer. Compromise. This all goes with this, Aquarius. You're going to have to find a happy medium somewhere in here, because if you remain closed off, well, you get nowhere and you have no relationship. But even if this person seems very different from you, get to know them. You might be surprised. So thank you very much for being here, Aquarius. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Good luck. Bye.